I'm Brooke. Welcome to my channel, The Cookbook. Today we'll be making Parmesan chicken, not chicken Parmesan. Parmesan chicken is chicken breast, baked in the oven with garlic salt, salt, pepper, a layer of sour cream, and some Parmesan cheese that crisps up nicely. It's really quick, so it's great for a weekend or a weeknight. Just pair it with your favorite vegetable and it's good to go. Let's get started making Parmesan chicken. Now that is Parmesan chicken that is Cookbook made.
Husband approved.
Thanks for watching the Cookbook. See you next time.